Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla, mostly like a close-up of his face, eating that train, because it's a very famous shot. So, easy for beginners, so follow with me, okay? We're going to go through it step by step. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to throw a line at an angle for the eye, above the eye there. Yeah, a little bit bigger there. Pulling up. Curve line underneath the eye. It's going to give that under eye area. We're going to draw a little bit of a thicker line around that to kind of make it look like his eyes are in the pit of his eye, right? Like deep in there. It makes it look a little spookier. Curve right here, a little scarier. Line over here on the middle of his forehead. Down right here for side of the snout. And we're going to go over here and draw the other eye. On that far end right there. Curve over here, making this line thicker kind of off the bat. Nostril right there. Curve down the side. Curve over here. Line over here. Line over here. Go over here on this side. Curve for the side of the cheek. Curve right here for the front of the snout. And we're gonna have the bottom of Godzilla's snout. This is like old school Godzilla, right? From like the 50s. Cool puppet Godzilla. Curving up over here. Pulling back that line for the mouth. And kind of can have it there. Curve, curve, like thinner line, curve, curve underneath, and curve right here for the brow, the forehead, right there. Sorry, the brow is above the eye, right? It's that hard bony part above the eye on anybody, right? Not just Godzilla. Curve back for his head. It's got a pretty flat head. Maybe a little bit of some spikiness because his texture gets a little spikier as it goes to the back of the head a little bit. And you're gonna keep rolling around that corner there. Rolling around that corner. But not all the way because we got the train to put. Alright. So far so good, right? Alright. Gonna go right here, draw one up right there for the teeth. Down right here. It's kind of like a triangle aiming downward. Don't forget, by the way, we have a lot of free stuff in the description. Go take a look at that. It's a How to Draw Cute ebook. Go join that because it puts you on an email list that has a lot of cool information when I come out with it. We're about to release some stickers, so that's soon. You'll get that announcement later. And also get a pencil case. We sell pencil cases. So it's called arm-adillo.com. It is a pencil case you can strap to your wrist. I usually have it around me right here, but I don't have it on me. It's like over there in the corner. But go pick that up. There's only like 100 left. There's only 50 left because I'm closing that up. Because, yeah. You're going to go over there, pick up a pencil case while you can. Line underneath. Like so. So the teeth. Right there, you got that row of teeth. And downward right here, curve up. Over here, curve up. Line, line. Line, line. Line over here. Line over here. Curve, curve. Curve over here, curve over here. Line over here. Okay, well, let's put that train in there, right? So, straight line over here. Straight line over here. Pull in. Downward over here, the side of the train. The side of the train's folding, but it's kind of like you're smashing a cardboard box. That's kind of the way I'm thinking about it. And line over here. All right, that's literally the way I'm looking at it, like cardboard box. I'm gonna throw another line over here. So maybe it's like the door of the train. And then I'm gonna go over here along the edge right here. Draw a straight line across the edge. Downward, line over here. Don't forget to hit the like. If you like Godzilla ones, absolutely hit the like. It helps a lot. It really helps the channel a lot. Curve back here now for the mouth. Kind of closing it. You got the back of the crack of the mouth there. Line over here. And line over here, because those are the windows along the cart of the train right there. Line over here, line over here, line over here. The top of that train. So let's go over here to the far end now. Out over here. So it's another compartment there. Line over here. Out. Down. Line over here. Okay, so we got one box. Now we're going to have another box. Line over here. Line over here. We have another box of the train. Line over here. And we're gonna kind of let it go right there like that. It looks like a vignette kind of coming out. Same over here, we're looking for those side windows. Line. Angle over here. Say that one goes all the way in. See that side window, and then we split up those windows right here. Another side window. Over here. Another side window over here. Alright, good stuff. Sometimes there's this kind of top thing. I can't remember, like a window at the top. I don't really remember what's on the top, but put another one just to give it some dimension there. And I could throw another little line over here. Line over here. And line over here. Kind of going down his body. So far, so good. Okay? So we're going to throw some spikes on there starting out. Spike there. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. So that one's going to go off the page there. Like so. It's going to vignette off the page. And if you want, you can throw like a shadow over here, which I think makes it look a lot better, personally. Throwing like a dark shadow, like right there, to give it a little. And finally, you can throw these little, see these little curves? We're throwing little bitty curves to represent the texture of Godzilla here. Just all over the place. Not everywhere, but just enough areas. Right there, see that? You're just throwing them enough, kind of sprinkling them around. Because if you put them throughout the entire thing, it might be too much. It might break the drawing, at least in its current state. So you don't really want to do that, but there you go. That is Godzilla eating a train right there, attacking a train. I hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, I want you to stay with me and do another video with me, okay? Stick around, let's do another one together. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.